Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mr. Knowledge One. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to rename YouTube channel name without changing the name on your Gmail account. So friends, there are two ways by which you can change the name of your YouTube channel. So this is the newly created YouTube channel. So by default, it is showing the original name of an individual who has created this channel, and it is the same name on the Gmail account. So viewers, by two ways you can change the name of your YouTube channel to a brand channel name. For that, first of all, go to the icon of your YouTube channel and select YouTube Studio. Then your channel's dashboard will open and select settings from the menu. And from the settings menu bar, select channel and then go to advanced settings. And from the advanced settings, select manage YouTube account. And the general settings for your YouTube account will open, and from here you can change your appearance on YouTube. And from here you can change the name of your YouTube channel by selecting this option edit on Google. But it will change your name on Gmail account as well. So if you want to change the name of your channel without changing your name on Gmail account, then select this option add or manage your channel. Here you can convert your original name to brand name by creating a new channel from here. Here you can type any name here as you desire. As you have watched, I have created 3 brand channels, so I will not create a new brand channel associated to my account and will move back. From here, I select any one of the brand account already created. Let's say this one, all about wildlife. So you can watch the name has been changed from original name to the brand name. So by this way, your name on your Gmail account will remain unchanged.